G'day guys, so I'm sitting here just getting everything ready for my trip, heading off in less than 24 hours from here in Montrose down to Durango and then start making my way across to the Grand Canyon. And so before I head off, I'm going to practice plugging tyres. Sorry, I've got a crazy dog here. Tyre. And I haven't actually plugged a tyre before, so I'm going to do that and just make sure I've got the hang of it before I head out into the desert for a week, because I don't want to be stuck out there doing it in the heat of the day for 2 hours. And so there's a kit here. I'll put up a picture of what you need, so you can get these kits from Walmart or any automotive store. Okay, so I'm in the garage now and I'm going to start step one, which is actually putting one of the sticky rubber things which plugs the tyre in through this needle. So you grab this guy out of here, which is quite awkward because it's very sticky. Oh. Right, then try and mush down the end so it's a bit flatter. And you're going to try and feed it through this needle. Which can be a bit tough. But if you take pliers, grab it and then pull it through so it's about halfway in. There you go. So it should look like that. Step one. Alright, so got that done. Then we're going to cover it in glue. So I'm actually using a different type of glue, not the one that comes in the packet. Just for the purpose of this video, you really do need to use the type of glue that comes in the packet. Right, so we've got this nice and lubricated. To get that in. Then we're going to take the rasping tool, which is this guy here. Take the pliers to pull the nail out. So I'm over at the tyre. Got my pliers. I'm going to pull the nail out. Hopefully this comes out easy. Then at the same time, plug that hole. You don't want a shit ton of air getting out. And then, so basically you need to grab the rasping tool next. So you're just trying to create an even hole and basically make it a bit rough so the plug is going to actually stick to it. Okay, now I'm going to take this tie plug and shove that into the hole that I've just rasped. And then pull out quickly. Done. Right, there we go. So the tyre plug's sticking out there a little bit. And I mean, if it's sticking out more, you can cut it off, but leave about 1 centimetre out. Let the glue dry, pack up your tools, and you are good to go.